Have you ever seen a flower that looks like a glowing lantern hanging from a plant? This beautiful flower is called Abutilon, also known as the flowering maple or Indian mallow. But this plant is not just beautiful, it is scientifically fascinating too. What is Abutilon? The scientific name of this plant is Abutilum pictum. It belongs to the Malvaceae family, which is the same family as hibiscus, cotton, and okra. The plant is famous for its hanging bell shaped flowers with colorful veins. The leaves look similar to maple leaves, which is why it is called the flowering maple. Now let us explore the science behind this flower. The bright orange petals contain pigments called carotenoids and sometimes anthocyanins, which help attract pollinators like bees and butterflies. The red veins on the petals act like nectar guides. These guides help insects locate nectar easily. Like hibiscus, Abutilon flowers have a central column of stamens. This structure helps in efficient pollination. When insects land on the flower, pollen grains stick to their bodies and get transferred to another flower. This process is called cross-pollination. Cross-pollination increases genetic diversity and helps plants adapt better to the environment. The broad green leaves perform photosynthesis. Using sunlight, water, carbon dioxide, the plant produces glucose. It's nothing but its food. This process also releases oxygen into the atmosphere. The hanging shape of the flower protects pollen from rain damage. And the soft hairs on some plant parts reduce water loss and protect against insects. Abutilon is mainly grown as an ornamental plant because of its unique lantern-like flowers. It attracts pollinators, improving biodiversity in gardens. Some species of Abutilon are also studied in traditional medicine. In certain cultures, parts of the plant were used for treating inflammation and wounds. However, scientific research is still going on to confirm all medicinal benefits. If you want to grow this plant at home, provide partial sunlight, water moderately, use well-drained soil, prune regularly for more flowers. With proper care, Abutilon blooms beautifully almost throughout the year. Nature hides signs in every flower, and Abutilon is a perfect example of beauty combined and biology. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, and subscribe to Vyapthi Curious Minds for more amazing science-related content. Save Earth, save life. Thank you.